Good morning. We are right now at the Kaohsiung Central Park. This is our first stopover tour this morning. So we arrived almost 8 o'clock last night during our long drive from the city of Hualien yesterday. So let's have a look around of what is this Kaohsiung Central Park as a tourist destination. So they have this, what do you call this one, bridge over a small lake. What is good about this park is it is within within the tall buildings of the city of Kaohsiung. You can see tall buildings here, this side. Yan ang makita mo dito, no? So you have a lot of people here exercising, senior citizens walking. This is a lot of tree cover. They protect the trees here. You have also a small stage here at the center area. Wala ba si Maya? Dito tayo. May mga biking areas din sila dito, no? This place. Maganda din sa isang big city like Kaohsiung, or any other city na you have some space for walking. People will relax, exercise. So we'll be staying for a few hours here in Kaohsiung, and mamaya before 3 o'clock siguro we'll be driving to the city of Taichung in the direction of Taipei na, because tomorrow evening is our return flight to Manila. We're just maximizing yung biyahe. Good that we have yung car, private car to take us to whatever destinations that we want. Ganda, this place. Something na free. People can sit, relax. Important talaga isang mga open spaces for people, for purposes of yung mental health also. Mga tall buildings. Hindi makita yung mga ibang mga malaking buildings here. You have nice facilities dito. Okay. Siyempre mga nag-date, and they have this bridge at the center. This one. Yan, makikita natin. Okay, very nice, very nice. So kung gabi siguro maganda din to, so ngayon medyo siguro, because it's still very hot, But in winter, ayan, dito yung Christmas tree. But today is December already, you know? Okay, balik tayo doon. Okay.